Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to turn your ideas into this really interesting artwork right here? Or turn this text into this image right here, or even this text into this image right here. Well, now you can't with Fotor AI image generator. Alright, so this thing can convert any of the ideas that you have in mind into a reality. Alright, so yeah, it's very simple and it's really cool. Alright, so today I'm going to show you a few examples of how it works, alright, and other AI tools that you can use to further enhance your image into a much better image that you have in mind. Alright, so all these things I'll link them in the video description down below. The very first link in the video description down below, you guys can check it out. Alright, so so we can just start off with like a simple prompt. Anything you have in mind, anything they will generate for you. Alright, so maybe let's look something more ridiculous. Alright, so like maybe I was thinking of maybe a lot of rubber duckies inside the house. How would that looks like? Alright, so you can just type in lots of rubber duckies, alright, inside a house. Okay, and we're gonna wait for it to generate. Alright, as you guys can see, this is what the generated image is, and I think this is more of what I have in mind compared to this. I mean, this is very similar. Alright, I was thinking of some water on it, or with the rubber duckies floating, and if you're thinking of there's no water on it, I think this will be the perfect one for you. So you can generate up to a few different kind of images you want, alright, and you can choose from them that you know what you that is matches what you think in your mind the closest it to be. Alright, and you can have different aspect ratio if you want it. Alright, I'm using a 1:1, so it's more of a squarish one. Alright, and they can generate in different kinds of artwork. Alright, you want it to be more anime style, you can have it as well. Alright, and you can have more cinematic digital art, photography style. Alright, so right now I'm gonna just change to photography style and show you the differences. Alright, so we're gonna just stay with two the same, alright, and show you what's the difference between them. Alright, so right now it's none. Alright, so now let it regenerate into a photography style. Alright, it will be more lifelike. Alright, so this is the photography style, and I think it looks more lifelike. Alright, so yeah, you can choose different style you like, and you can further enhance them, alright, using the AI enhancer. Alright, so what AI enhancer is, alright, before that let me just generate maybe a newer one, alright, so that you guys can see different kinds of things. Alright, so right now I'm gonna just probably generate like a a girl, alright, in a girl holding a teddy bear, walking down an alley, alright, of the future. Alright, and we go just click on generate. Okay, so this is the generated one because I'm using photography 3, so it looks more realistic. Alright, and I think this is what I was thinking in mind. Alright, and I think this is really good. Alright, so if you want it maybe like the teddy bear, all this. Alright, so if you want it to be more specific, you have to detail like with the building, or like she's floating or whatever. You can do it more specifically if you prompt it inside here. Alright, but right now I'm gonna just stick with this. Alright, and probably I don't like the building or something. Alright, you can use AI replace, alright, magic eraser, background removal, all this. Alright, so let's go with the background removal. Right, so the background removal part is you upload any images, alright, and they'll remove the background for you. Alright, not just only with the AI image, you can use it with your own photo as well, right, and they'll remove the background for you, which is very useful, right, especially for me as a content creator where I create thumbnails. Alright, you have to put like my face, alright, onto it. Alright, if the traditional way, I have to go to Photoshop and slowly mask out the background, and it's very time consuming. And with this, with just a few seconds, as you can see, right, it will completely remove the background with just the girl itself. Alright, so you can also retain certain aspect of the image if you want. Alright, you can choose the size of it you want to retain. Alright, you can add some shadows into it. Alright, you can see adding some shadows into it to make it more 3D feel. You can change the background, alright, to your liking. Alright, you can always change the background, all this. Alright, it's really good for YouTube thumbnails, you know, or any posters that you're actually doing. Alright, it's really easy to use. Alright, as you can see, it's so easy. You can choose different kind of auto, common, person. Alright, but yeah, so this one is filled because there's no person. Right, the girl is facing the back anyway. So if you have a selfie of yourself and you want to remove it, you can use this as well. Alright, so it's really useful. Alright, so no, this not only, like I said, not only works on AI, but you can use on any images, your actual photos, alright, you have. Alright, so let me just show you a few photos. Alright, probably this photo right here. Alright, you can upload your own photo. Alright, this is a photo I took when I was in Bali, alright, for holiday. You can just click on remove background, alright, and they will automatically remove it for you. Alright, as you can see, it is so simple, so straightforward, and I can use this for my YouTube thumbnail as well. So you can add in some, you know, other backgrounds, you know, make it look nicer, all this. You see, it's so easy to use. Alright, and probably if you want, you know, maybe my face a bit blurry and I want to enhance the photo to make it look clear, maybe the people at the back looks not like great. Alright, as you can see, this is the enhanced part, and you can see it looks way better. Alright, the people at the back looks more sharper. Alright, all the details looks much sharper. Alright, so yeah, this is the unenhanced one. You can see the difference. Alright, with the enhanced one, it looks way better. Alright, the contrast looks much better. Alright, so yeah, this one it can enhance. There is like enlarger, there's magic eraser as well. So if you don't want, like, you know, humans here, you know, you want it to be natural, you can just remove them. They'll detect the object and they'll remove it for you. Alright, so yeah, it is very cool. As you can see, the people are automatically removed and they replace it with the stones, you know, with the floor exactly the same. So it looks really like the original picture itself. Alright, and there is so many more, alright, features that you guys can do. There's adjust, look at this, there is so many features. Alright, so what I'm just showing you is basically just the tip of the iceberg. Right, there's so many hidden features hidden behind. You can add text, you can add elements, alright, all this. Alright, there's a lot of AI tools that you can use. Alright, you can change from an old photo to a new photo. You know, all this you can use with this AI tool itself. Alright, so yeah, so I highly recommend you guys to check out this photo website. Alright, you can use it to enhance your photo, or you can use it to, you know, from text to AI image generator. You can use that as well, and you can also use it to enhance your own personal selfies, all this. Alright, to look much better to what you want to post it on your social medias. You can do it as well. So yeah, this is a very useful tool, alright, for you to use it right now. Alright, and I have been using this AI tool for a very long time myself, and I can tell you this thing really does wonders. Alright, it gets a job done basically, and without any issues at all. Alright, so if you guys want to check out this website, alright, there's I'll link them in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, and I'm pretty sure that you guys will not be disappointed with it. Alright, and yeah, once again, if you guys want more video like this in the future, let me know in the comment section as well. And again, I will say that this is one of the best AI tools that you can use in the market right now. Alright, for your photos, or you want to generate AI images from your mind, you can use this as well. Alright, so this thing works perfectly well, and yeah, as a user myself, I'm very happy with it. Alright, so once again, if you want to check out this site, I'll link them in the video description down below, the very first link. Go ahead and check them out, and definitely go ahead and try them out as well. Alright, so that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming. I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.